Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your GoDaddy account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or phone. In the address bar, type GoDaddy.com and press enter. Wait for the GoDaddy homepage to fully load. Look at the top right corner of the page for the sign in button. Click or tap sign in to open the login options. If you see multiple sign in choices, select sign in to GoDaddy. On the login page, click inside the username or customer number field. Type the email address or customer number linked to your GoDaddy account. Double check for spelling mistakes or extra spaces. Click inside the password field. Type your GoDaddy password carefully. If you are on a personal device, you can enable the option to stay signed in if available. If you are on a public or shared device, make sure Stay Signed In is turned off. Click the Sign In button to continue. If GoDaddy asks for verification, choose your preferred method like SMS, email, or Authenticator app. Enter the verification code exactly as you received it. Submit the code to complete the security check. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password link on the login screen. Enter your email address and follow the reset instructions GoDaddy sends you. Create a strong new password and return to the sign-in page. After logging in, check the top right corner to confirm your name or account icon appears. Click your account icon to open the account menu. Select My Products to access domains, hosting, and other services. If you do not see your products, confirm you logged into the correct account email. If the page keeps refreshing or not loading, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. You can also try using an incognito or private window to sign in again. If you are using the GoDaddy mobile app, open the app and tap Sign In, then enter the same account details. For ongoing login problems, use the Contact Us option on GoDaddy to reach support with your account information ready. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.